Allure Beauty Box. I started opening it up from the side here. A scratcher for Allure Beauty Box. May theme. Alright, so May theme, beauty innovations, 7 game changers. And then on the back it says, you are going to want to see this. We're giving you an exclusive sneak peek at all of our favorite brands coming up in the May Allure Beauty Box lineup. And then it says scratch off to reveal, and scratch here, so I'm going to scratch that real quick. Taking forever, but this is cool. Oh my god, it's a sneak peek to the next month's box. Whoa, that is so cool. So this is what's coming. I don't know if you could see this too well. This is what's going to be in the next month's beauty box from Allure Beauty. We have what I like to call the menu for Allure Beauty Box, and on the cover is Carli Bybel, also from New Jersey, like me. And the back is advertisement that they have with Way, a hairstyling brand. It says here to refer a friend and get a Way sample trio valued at $14. Allure.com/friends while supplies last. Ooh, very nice. So that's for like if you're interested. This is the April beauty box. And then we have a bunch of makeup in here that I cannot wait to try. Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Pure Hollywood. Natasha Denona Mono Eyeshadow. I've never tried anything before from Natasha Denona, so I'm really excited. We have Luxie 231 Small Tapered Blending Brush in Rose Gold. That sounds pretty. The Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil. Nice, and it looks like one of the ones that like glides on really nicely, so that's good. Then we have Vita Liberata Phenomenal Organic Tan Infused Cloth. And Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection Heat Protectant Cream. I purposely clean my face to try some things today. I mean, I don't want to ruin this brush. It's the only thing I'm not going to use right now, for sure. This is the brush that came in the bag. This is the bag. And everything actually came inside for a change like it's supposed to. It was actually inside. This is so pretty. Like, look at this presentation. Like, I don't even want to put this down yet, but I will. Like, this is this month's bag. It's see-through, translucent, and it has some nice products in here. The first one we're going to look at is, besides the brush from Luxie, is the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection Heat Protectant Cream. No harsh sulfates, silicones, or parabens, and this is the travel size. I rarely do my hair anymore like that, but if I do, I'll use this. I'm trying to figure out what it smells like. This is it. That's what it looks like. And it smells really nice. I'm trying to figure out what. Like a floral, sweet, fruity floral mixture, but it's for your hair, some heat protectant, so that's cool. Because I've been wanting to like try to straighten my hair again, but I'm not quite there yet. It smells really nice. I'm just like putting it down at the ends a little, just to like put it in. It's, you know, a little sticky, but it's for your hair, so that's good. My hair is extra protected now. The masks, I don't know if I want to waste this right now. No offense to you. It has a bunch of natural ingredients in it. It's organic, and it has a lot of fruits and veggies in it. And aloe vera is actually the first ingredient. Aloe vera leaf water. And a bunch of good stuff. Grape, papaya, ginkgo, cucumber, pomegranate, licorice roots, raspberry leaf extract, and a number of other ingredients. So that's cool. And it's from Vita Liberata. And it comes like this. Oh, it has two. Nice. Got 2 to try, so that's awesome. I'm just not gonna do it right now. This is the brush from Luxie. It says Luxie 231. Small tapered blending. It says on the package when I open it up. I'm glad because I've been wanting to get more into using eye brushes because I'm learning how to do the eyes. They're one of my favorite brands for makeup brushes and other products. Lightweight and like they're pretty soft and I like them. I really like Luxie a lot. This is from Natasha Denona. I haven't used any of her products before, but I have heard mixed reviews about the quality of her products. So it's an eyeshadow in shade 126K. Bead. I don't know what that means. And I'm trying to figure out how to get this open. Oh, like that. Let's see. That's pretty. This is on my fingertip. It's nice. It's not like too much of a pigment. It's like a creamy shadow. And then I'm gonna swatch it on my wrist. Oh my god, look at that. There is it. There it is. See this? It doesn't like streak too much either. It's like, trying to find a better position for you. Where like, it's just a smooth, creamy application. Put it on my lid with my finger. That's pretty. It comes like this. Like, this is really pretty. And it's not very messy because you just pack it on and you can just build upon it with your finger if you'd like. You don't have to use that brush. Something like this you'd want to use your finger or at least a brush or something so the color is more vibrant. Could be using the mirror, but yes, so that's the gel eyeliner from Laura Geller. And it's very sleek, black, simple. Waterproof gel eyeliner pencil, and it's in shade Green River. Ooh, what's on this side? Oh, this is the green. And what's this? Oh, you could sharpen it. I'm not very good at this, so I don't know. So I was trying to fix it and do both my eyes, but to be honest, I'm not sure how you're supposed to use it. Oh, I forgot to show you also that it's retractable, but you're supposed to use the thing on the other side to sharpen it, you know, make it more pointy. But I did this just to like do this for you now, and like it's kind of messy and I'm having a hard time picking off some of the green that is just staying on my face. But I mean, if you know how to use this, like I'm not the most knowledgeable about applying eyeliner, and my eyes just look small. I'm gonna leave this on though for the rest of the day or night. I'm gonna put mascara on and see if it makes it look better. I don't know. But that's what that looks like. It's really nice. I mean, I'm trying to get into learning how to do eyeliners, but I feel like you would think the green would look good because my eyes are green. And I'm just not seeing it, but it could just be me. Like, I don't know. Like, see how I can't get that off. I'm gonna have to use like concealer or something. And lastly, but not leastly, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. This is in shade Pure Hollywood, so that's cool. Anastasia Beverly Hills, she is cruelty free. It comes like this in the box. It's very pretty. Can you see it? Doesn't smell too nice, but it's like a pink nude color. I actually wanted to say that I don't mind this. It's a matte. It's liquid, but it dries matte. And usually the ones that I've tried from the lipsticks that I tried from Anastasia Beverly Hills didn't dry matte, so this is a first. Pure Hollywood. For a matte, it's not bad. I mean, it's a little sticky when it dries, but the look of it, it's not terrible. I mean, I'm not huge into nudes because usually like you can't see your lips, but this one you actually can see. I would wear this again if I felt like being nude. Well, not like that, but you know what I mean? But it's not bad. I would wear this again. Like, this is it. I really liked most of the products in here that I've used. So as you can see, I just finished putting together the look. My makeup for this look that I put together using some of this new Allure Beauty Box bag of goodies that was inspired by Carli Bybel. I was wondering, do I resemble her at all? Like, the new lips. You can see a little bit of like the orangey, shimmery shadow. And the dark, like, I don't know, liner, but not really. Like, let me know what you think about this look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.